I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating.
Hello my friends, welcome back. So today's video we're checking out this 4K Ultra HD, similar to a GoPro action camera. So I'm excited to test this out. I cannot wait. It looks pretty awesome. So a couple features for you guys. I don't want to bore you. It is 40M waterproof, dual screen, Wi-Fi, Ultra HD 4K. So I'm sure there's plenty more to get into. Let's go. So guys, first of all, you get a ton of accessories. You got accessory for mounting on tripods, for mounting little window here screen for easy access. You got double-sided tape mounts for your dashes. I mean, you guys can mount this. You get an awesome remote. Check this out. You got photo and video on the remote. So it would be a Bluetooth remote. Make sure you refer to your manual for that, which is pretty awesome. So we could go ahead and set it on our Jeep, the camera, and we could press a button and record. It would be pretty sweet, guys. So let's see. Yeah, you just got tons and tons of accessories in here. Normally you gotta buy this stuff separate, so it's pretty awesome that they include it. You get a front screen protector. So this is the camera itself. Let's pull it out. So guys, this is it. Pretty awesome. You got your SD card on the side there. Battery slot right there. Mode controls there. Power and OK on the top. Very nice, guys. Nice, small and compact. They give you dual batteries as well as this waterproof case. So that's awesome. Alright guys, let's jump to the footage.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
So guys, this is the footage. I must say I am pretty impressed for being such a small little camera. So the camera is nice. I like it. So what I did was, there was a little fisheye effect. So in my editing program, I corrected the fisheye. So keep in mind, I corrected that. So I did some video enhancements. So just keep that in mind with the footage that you guys see. I did some edits to make the quality a little better.